And amazingly, you colour coded your socks.
Absolutely. So, or what we recommend for a bucket this size is 2 capfuls. And that should give you plenty of foam in action, plenty of glossing on the paintwork. We'll just top that up with water.
See, it's foaming up already
Yeah.
now, even without the actual pressure of the jet wash. So,
Yeah,
two capfuls is more than enough.
And that is just 2 capfuls. You don't have to go overboard with the
really
product.
economical, isn't it?
Less is more, as they say.
Use too much. You'll just get a really high concentrated solution. So I mean, obviously with the fact that there's nothing within the actual luxury shampoo itself it's going to cause any issues to the paintwork. You'll just literally just be using more of the products.
It might feel a little bit slimy, I think,
Yeah.
on the car if it's super concentrated, but it's not harmful or damaging in any way. Flour shampoos and pretty well all of the products are pH neutral, which is important to a lot of people. So they're paint and sealant safe. It's safe on chrome, plastic trim. You see a lot of fading and damage to modern plastic trim on cars from, dare I say it, some of the cheap car washes. That's the strong chemicals actually damaging the finishing on the plastics. So for quality products like this, a few pence more maybe, but that's the safety you're buying when you're using our products on your Porsche, BMW, E-Type Jaguar, or whatever it might be.
We'll just give a bit of a discussion about why we've got so many buckets. This is the 2 bucket method, which we will expand shortly into a 3 bucket method. So firstly with the 2 buckets. So everybody has started off washing their car with 1 bucket. Imagine what you're doing, you're taking your wash mitt, or makes me shiver if someone's using a sponge. You'll go into here with the shampoo, you go over to the car, and what you'll basically do is you'll take the dirt from the car and you'll put it straight back into your lovely clean luxury shampoo diluted water. The idea with this bucket is what you do is when you go wash the car, you then rinse out the mitt into the clean water there, so all the dirt goes into that bucket, and then you're into the bucket with the freshly loaded with the luxury shampoo onto the car. So you're not just taking the dirt from the car to the bucket to the car, dirt from the car into that bucket, and it stays there. And what I mentioned, the 3rd bucket is you want another bucket just with some water and a little tiny bit of shampoo for when you wash your wheels. Because the big thing to do is anything that cleans your wheels never goes onto the paintwork, because the most damaging stuff that's going to be around your car is going to be the brake dust and all the grime that's going to be off the wheels. So anything that hits the wheels goes into that bucket and doesn't touch the bodywork at all.
All the wheels. Yeah, that'll do.
So literally that shampoo is just in there just to rinse the tools we're going to be using to clean the wheels. Yep, this is one of our Noodle mitts. This is one I've been using probably hundreds of times, and yeah, this has probably got about another couple of months left in it, but this has probably had 2 or 3 years worth of use in the year I've had it, obviously with being a part of my business. But the idea behind these, if there's any dirt particles on the car, they're going to get caught by the noodle part of the mitt and not going to get dragged across the car.
So here we are, we're all set up in front of that very dirty BMW. 3 buckets set up, so we've got a wash and rinse bucket and then the separate bucket for wheels only.
Yep, that's correct, yeah. Yeah, so basically we're just going to run through quickly what we're going to be doing. So the key thing is to start with the dirtiest area of the car first, which is going to be the wheels and also with the wheel arches themselves. So we'll do those first. We'll then move on to the bodywork, and then we'll do what we call our non-contact pre-wash. So that'll be the citrus pre-wash will go on first. That'll be a spray on and then rinse off. We'll then go to the snow foam, again spray on, let it dwell and then rinse off, and then it will be to the contact wash. And then after the contact wash, dry the car off. And that's the basic wash process. There are other things that can be added to the process if you get down the rabbit hole of car detailing and valeting. We'll just keep this simple to a simple wash, clean and dry.